Hello, welcome to protaDetail. My name is Justice Umoka. I am your instructor. Today, I will be showing you a design of helipad using Protastructure software. Although I'm just showing you a glance of this helipad design in Protastructure, I am not making a video for this design today, but in my coming video, I will show you a comprehensive detail of how to design, model and design a concrete helipad using Protastructure software. So I will urge you to subscribe to my channel protaDetail. Why? So that you will not miss a video. Although a lot of design criteria was taken into consideration while modeling and designing for this helipad here in Protastructure. Although it is not really an easy task to design helipad in Protastructure, as it is the first time, a lot of design criteria was taken into consideration, and this is not just a common helipad which is just sitting on the roof just like that. This is a cantilevered helipad which is up to 10 meters long, although the whole 10 meters is not cantilevered. As you can see here, we have an anchor rod which is holding back, and that anchor rod is sitting at the midpoint of this helipad. So invariably 5 meters is what is cantilevered, and the other 5 meters backward is not cantilevered, or let me say semi-cantilevered. So a lot of design criteria was taken into consideration while designing and also modeling this helipad here in Protastructure. As you can see right now, this is a live project. It's not just a video meant for tutorial. This is a live project, and this project is already at the 18th floor in construction. This helipad was among the project plan, but modeling it and designing it in Prota has been a challenge until just yesterday we concluded the design of this helipad here in Protastructure. So like I said before, this is the first time a helipad design we designed in Protastructure software. So I will urge you to subscribe to our channel protaDetail so that you will not miss this video. Also, if you have any of your friends who want to learn, or who you think that is studying engineering, civil engineering or structural engineering, that you want him or her to see this video, I will say you should share the link to this video and ask him to subscribe so that he will not miss this video we are about to make on helipad design. So looking at the plan view of this structure, you can see that this is the 21st floor, which is at 67.35 meters. And if you go to other stories, like let me go to story 10, you can see how massive this project is. Although it took us more than 15 days to just model this project from the first story to the last story, and it took us more than 3 days to finally create a model and design just this helipad. So we are trying to make the modeling stage and the design stage very simple. That is why I said the video for this helipad design will be coming in the nearest day. So I will urge you to subscribe to the channel protaDetail so that you will not miss this video about helipad. This is the first time helipad design is being done using Protastructure software. Although we have done helipad design using StartPro software, we have also done helipad design using Mendel's software. We have also done helipad design using Rivet software. We have also done helipad design using Tekla Structural Designer, but this is the first time we are doing helipad design in Protastructure. And from our research, we have not seen anyone done helipad design in Protastructure. So that is why we are trying to make the design procedure and also the modeling procedure very simple for everyone, so that it will not take longer time to design a helipad. Although be rest assured that a lot of design criteria will be taken into consideration while designing this, or while designing and also modeling this helipad right here in Protastructure. But the good thing is that at the end of the video we are about to make, the helipad will be structurally and statically designed, and you will see the design procedure, and also you will see how the structural detailing will be well produced. Although Protastructure will not be able to produce this structural detail of this helipad around this region, but you will see how we will use other softwares in collaboration with Protastructure to produce a very nice detail for this helipad. So I will urge you to subscribe to our channel protaDetail while you wait for the video in the next coming weeks. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you really want to know how to design and how to model, analyze and design a helipad in Protastructure. So thank you, we love you.